Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a low-end PC. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator, which allows mobile games to run on your computer. Optimizing the emulator's settings is absolutely crucial for smooth gameplay, especially on less powerful hardware. We'll also cover adjusting in-game graphics and ensuring your PC meets the basic system requirements for the chosen emulator. This guide will help you enjoy Brawl Stars without significant lag or performance issues. First, select a lightweight Android emulator designed for performance, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. Always download the emulator directly from its official website to avoid any security risks. Once installed, log in with your Google account to access the Play Store. From there, simply search for Brawl Stars and proceed with the installation. This step is foundational for bringing the mobile game experience to your desktop. Next, dive into your emulator's settings for crucial optimizations. Allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM to the emulator for stable performance. Set the display resolution to 720 pixels or even lower to reduce the rendering load. Disable high frame rate options and VSync within the emulator. If you encounter graphical glitches, try switching the rendering mode to DirectX instead of OpenGL for potential improvements. Finally, fine-tune your experience with in-game and PC-level adjustments. Within Brawl Stars, reduce the graphics quality to its lowest setting. Close all unnecessary background applications on your computer to free up system resources. Ensure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest stable version for optimal compatibility and performance. For an extra boost, consider using a reputable game booster utility. These steps combined will significantly enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.